What's going on, Ansah Squad? It's your boy James here. What's going on, Ansah Squad? It's your boy James here.
Hey everybody, it is your girl Melissa.
And we are
the Ansahs Uncut. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another episode. If you guys didn't watch our last episode, make sure you go back to see how you can save $1,000 in 30 days. Some of you guys were saying that, I just don't have the income to save. Well, in this episode, we're actually going to tell you how you can increase your income.
To save $1,000 in 30 days.
Exactly.
So statistics show that, the average person has one source of income, usually 9 to 5, or your main job. The average millionaire has 7 sources of income. Statistically right now, we're living in a day where 60% of Americans don't have $1,000 in their savings. So this is the way we can increase our revenue streams. That way you can get that $1,000 in saving. And if you have more than 1,000, or if you're trying to, your goal is 10,000 or 20 or 50 or 100 or whatever it is, just shoot for that goal, y'all. We're just gonna give you a couple things that you can do right now to increase your income.
Exactly. And these are not the all tell all, but these are some really good ways to start.
Yeah. So first you can start by picking up side hustles. One site that we love, that we've used before, is Freelancer. Freelancer and Fiverr. You can go on there and advertise your services, whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're a web designer, whatever interior design, you can advertise your services on there and set your rate, and you get paid via, online, and people are out there are able to bid jobs and bid work from you. So that's another cool way to build up some side hustle money.
For sure.
Working from home or anywhere.
Yeah, so if you have a side hustle, or if you have a skill or a specific trade, put it to use.
Yeah.
Utilize that skill or that God-given talent to make you money in your spare time.
Yeah. So next we have another awesome side hustle is Uber, Lyft.
Yes, a lot of people are doing that.
Yeah.
Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Instacart. Those are the really big things that people are doing. But a lot of people don't know. If you don't like driving, and you're like me, and I just don't like driving, I work from home, I don't leave the house often unless we're traveling. Put your vehicle to use. Turn that liability into an asset.
That's right.
Use Turo, which is a really nice app where you can actually rent out your car and get paid and not have to do any of the driving, essentially. Yeah,
we have 2 vehicles, and she doesn't, like she said, she works from home, so one of the vehicles is always usually sitting there. And in order to turn that liability into an asset, we're able to rent it out. People use it for a couple days or a day, and they pay a daily fee. And then we just pocket the cash from it. Sometimes can take care of that monthly car note.
It does. We actually rented out one of our cars for a weekend and paid off the entire car note with just that weekend. So amazing. Take
advantage of that right there. Another one we have is Airbnb. You living in a house, you have some spare space, or
an apartment.
Or if you're somebody that loves to travel, and don't really, utilize your apartment or your house, rent it out. Let somebody crash for a little bit and then earn some money. You could take care of that mortgage or that rent for you too.
Absolutely. Another thing that's really important that I feel like not a lot of people think about in terms of like, how can I make more money?
Yeah.
Ask for it.
Yep. You can ask for more money.
If you are working and you're doing a great job, and you know that you bring value to the company, and it's been 6 months or it's been a year, they're not gonna be like, here's your raise. You have to ask for it. Make sure that you write up a good letter and express to them your value to the company and what you have contributed, to be able to be like, hey, I deserve more money.
That's so true. Is the statistics also prove that a lot of Americans don't really ask for raises. We don't really, you just get paid what you get paid, and you should be asking for a raise almost every 6 months to a year.
Absolutely.
To increase your value.
Negotiate. A lot of companies, they're like, I'm going to give you $1 raise. So I'm going to give you a 25% raise. No, it's okay for you to be like,
Yeah.
I want more. This is what I'm requiring or requesting.
Know your worth, people. Know your worth. Know your worth.
Oh yeah.
So the next thing that we have is also selling items that you have in the house. We just recently moved into this beautiful house, and when we were moving, we realized we had a lot of items that we didn't use. So we put it on OfferUp, we put it on Facebook Marketplace, and we literally were able to afford brand new furniture for our new house.
And we didn't spend no money. Essentially,
Pretty much off of old stuff that we had lying around that we weren't using.
Yeah.
So I would say take advantage of that, guys.
And there's so many different websites that you guys can use. Like you said, OfferUp, Let Go, Facebook Marketplace. If you're not using it, sell it.
You're missing out.
Get a couple of dollars. Yeah.
And so the next option that we have to increase your income is a high yield savings account.
This is my favorite. My baby put me onto this one.
So a high yield savings account is a savings account where you get paid interest on the money that you have deposited. Usually these banks are usually virtual banks online, so they don't have as much overhead as physical locations. That way they're able to pay out more interest per month, and that interest compounds. So let's say you have $10,000 in the bank, and you literally have a 1.75 interest rate. That's $175 that your money is making compounded each month. And we use personally HSBC Bank, but there are other banks out there like Ally, Citibank, Goldman Sachs. You know, American Express even does one where they give high yield savings to certain accounts. But
so you never want to leave your money in an account just sitting there. And that's what we tend to do.
Yeah.
We have tons of money and we just have it in a regular savings account. And it's not generating us any income. It's not growing.
You're actually even losing money due to inflation.
Exactly.
Each year the money,
you better let them know, baby.
It is, man. I mean, that's the truth. We trying to make sure y'all secure that bag. So, you know, make sure you take advantage of some of these things.
I think so far, so I actually personally just started my high yield saving account maybe I want to say maybe 4 months ago, and I've already accumulated probably $40 to $50 in just growth.
And that's just money that, you know,
they're giving to us.
You're getting for just keeping your money there.
Exactly.
And, you know, just knowledge is power, people. So just take advantage of some of these things, implement them today. You know, that way you're able to increase your income so that you can have that $1,000 saved up. It's been an amazing episode, guys. Make sure you guys implement some of these strategies and are able to increase your income in 30 days.
And if you guys have any other financial tips or any ideas that you guys maybe want to work on, feel free to drop them below in the comments. Let us know what you want us to talk about.
And comment below how much you've saved in the next 30 days. We want to see how much you've been able to save. If you're able to save more than $1,000, and if you have a partner or a spouse, y'all can start a challenge of who's gonna save the most amount of money this month. And you know, she lying, y'all. I'm already on it. I'm already on it.
I win.
And you know, put some stakes up there. You know, like, all right, if the winner gets, like, you know, unlimited back rubs the whole month.
And that's another thing. What about the couples? Like, how do you know it's a good time to invest together as a couple? Maybe that should be our next episode.
So our next episode, as she said, is going to be when will be the good time, or how couples can start investing together. All right, guys, stay tuned for our next video. Check out our last video where we talk about how to save $1,000 in 30 days. And until next time, guys.
Bye, everybody.
The Ansah's Uncut. It's been an amazing episode, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for our next... Welcome
to the Ansahs. The Ansahs. Baby,
This gonna be on the bloopers?
The Ansahs. All right, baby. It's okay. It's okay. All right, you guys. My baby's clearly having a seizure.
This ain't no seizure. This is a seizure.
Yo, what the